Hello, welcome to Outland Woodworks. My name is Shane, and today we're going to be talking about the JessEm clear-cut stock guides for your router fence. Let's do it. Alright, so in this box you're going to get your left and right guides and one hex key for your wheels. And that's it. As far as installing them, quickest install video ever. Loosen your T-slot nuts and slide them on your rail. And that's it. Now you do have to make sure they are configured in this orientation. They do have anti-kickback locks on the wheels to keep them from shooting the board from shooting back out. You'll place your stock underneath your board, loosen the screws, give it the appropriate amount of tension, tighten them. You're done, ready to go. It's that simple. It is that simple. It just out of the box works. So with that, if you got anything useful out of this extremely short video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. If you know someone that's considering these stock guides, this is specifically mounted on the RF36i fence from Harvey, consider sharing it. And that pretty much wraps it up. So I appreciate you being here, and until next time, thanks guys.